Welcome to my channel. Today we will make a very tasty Vazhakkai Podimas. Vazhakkai Podimas is raw banana fry. I have cut the bananas to 3 pieces because they are very big, and we have to boil the bananas with the skin, and while boiling the bananas we have to use the water that we wash the rice, because when it is cooking it may give the black color and the sticky oily thing on the vessel. Just to avoid it, we cook it in the water that we wash the rice. Now when it is cooked, drain the water, cool it and peel the skin. We have to grate the bananas, so it is better to grate it on the big grater, so that it will be even and it will not form lumps when we are making it. So grate it on a bigger size grater. Let's grate the bananas. Now when you grate the bananas, it will be like this. It will not form lumps. After grating the bananas and keeping it ready, place a kadai on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to it, and when the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of Channa dal. Keep it on medium and fry it, because the dal has to fry well to a golden color. Fry it a little and then add half a teaspoon of asafoetida to it. Fry well and add curry leaves, 1 sprig of curry leaves to it. Add the curry leaves and 1 green chilli cut to small pieces, and a small piece of ginger cut to fine pieces. Ginger and green chilies are very important for this fry. So fry everything well, keep it on medium and see that the dals become golden color. Once the dal becomes golden, add the grated raw banana to it. So I have to add the raw banana to it and fry it a little, so that the dal and chilies and the banana and all mix well. It will take a minute or 2 because we have grated the bananas, so we have to slowly keep it on low flame and fry the bananas until everything is well mixed. Once it mixes well, then it will be very tasty. So mix it well. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all options, so when I post my videos you will get notifications and you can view all my videos. Now I have added 3/4 teaspoon of salt to it. You may add salt as per your taste. Add the salt and keep it on low flame and mix it so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. After that, you have to fry it only for about 5 minutes. Now add coconut, grated coconut to it. That's going to give the best taste to it. Just fry it for 5 minutes, remove it from the kadai and squeeze half a lemon to it. When you add lemon juice to it, it will be very tasty. You may first squeeze half a lemon, and then if you need, you may add more lemon juice. If you like, you can add coriander leaves to it. This is a very tasty side dish. I am sure everyone will try this recipe and enjoy it. I am sure everyone is going to like it. It can be cooked for lunch or dinner. Do try this without fail, and do not forget to comment. Let's meet in the next video.